Pleated filter cartridges are essential components in many filtration systems. In this video, we explore how these cartridges are manufactured using modern industrial equipment. Production starts with filtration media. Different materials are selected depending on the application, such as polypropylene for water filtration or glass fiber for high-temperature processes. The media is processed through a pleating machine where it is folded into precise pleats. Pleating greatly increases the surface area of the filter, allowing higher dirty holding capacity. After pleating, the media is formed into a cylindrical shape. Thermal bonding is used to secure the seam. Many cartridges include an internal support core that prevents collapse under pressure. Plastic end caps are attached using infrared welding technology from Indro, creating a strong and leak-free seal. Each cartridge is inspected for proper assembly, pleated consistency, and welding quality. These cartridges are widely used in industrial liquid filtration systems. Modern automated machinery ensures efficient production of high-quality pleated filter cartridges. Contact with us for more filters making technology.